Hi, welcome to Lemon Locksmith. Do you have a broken bifold door? I can fix a range of issues with bifold doors. Common problems which I fix include the door catching and scraping on the floor. This is a sign that the door has dropped. The brush is falling off and catching on the floor, another sign that the door has dropped. You pull the handle down but the door won't open. This is a sign that the mechanism is broken. The door has fallen off the track. This could mean that the wheels need replacing. If you have any of these issues, then feel free to get in touch. I have a great deal of experience in fixing bifold doors throughout England. Feel free to give me a call.